A significant number of families have pets, and they are part of the family, meaning they need to be ready for a disaster. So take steps now to ensure they're prepared. You do not want to wait until the last minute to know your plan when you have the additional responsibility of planning for a pet. Remember, not all shelters will accept pets, and those that do only accept household dogs and cats. The pet-friendly shelter should only be a last resort as space is limited. Plan in advance for sheltering options that will work for both you and the animal. The people and pet shelters are separate but adjacent to each other, and owners will be required to shelter in the adjacent area to be able to visit and care for the animal. Owners will be issued a wristband or card to verify ownership to do so. Trained service animals are allowed in any building accessible to the owner, and the pet may accompany the owner in general and special needs shelters. This does not include emotional support animals. You want to assemble an emergency kit for your pet, including food and water, medications, collars with ID tags that include a phone number, a leash, crate, familiar toys and treats, plastic bags for cleaning up after a pet, and registration and vaccination documents. For the protection of people and other pets at the shelter, animals brought in without proof of current vaccinations will be vaccinated by Escambia County shelter staff. Thanks for spending a minute with EM.